Are you always snoring? This is one reason why snoring is actually a bad sign. Snoring is not just an annoyance. It's a warning sign that your cardiovascular system may be under stress. Studies show regular snorers have nearly double the risk of high blood pressure even without diagnosed sleep apnea. Loud or frequent snoring can signal obstructive sleep apnea where breathing pauses and then it reduces the blood oxygen, trigger stress hormones, and raise your blood pressure. Chronic high blood pressure increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, kidney damage, and cognitive decline.